Hello, welcome everyone. I know it's been about 2 weeks since I last posted, but things have been a little busy around here and I haven't had a chance to edit any videos. And it's probably going to be until sometime after Christmas, hopefully only a couple more days after Christmas, that I'll post again. I'm working on a Lego table, actually, for my nephew. A Lego table that will slide open and you can store your Legos inside of it, and on the top will have the Lego bases so you can build upon. So that's definitely a project I haven't done before and definitely something new for this channel. Here's a little sneak peek. That's my cut list. So as you can see, there was quite a few cuts I had to make, and that wasn't even all of them. But that's all you get to see for now. And I'm actually heading to my brother's tomorrow to go finish that project up. Another project I'll be finishing up here soon is going to be this multi-layered backlit acrylic kind of, I guess, desktop toy display. I don't know, whatever. There's going to be some other things in here. It's actually going to be about 4 layers. Each layer will have its own color. So I haven't done anything with multiple layered acrylic before, so that should be kind of fun. And let's see, I got another project coming up with my friend Ernie. Going to be making, maybe I should leave that for a surprise. Yeah, we'll see. You'll see. Just wanted to give a little heads up as to why you haven't seen a video and what's going on. Obviously with the holidays, I'm sure everybody else is busy just as much as I am, so anyway, be sure to like and subscribe if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you soon. Oh yeah, in case you guys haven't noticed, I've also been running my own giveaway for a custom sign, which me and the winner will discuss. You have until the end of this year to get your entries in. Link down below in the description. And as of right now, I don't think we have too many entries, so get in there and good luck. Happy holidays. Got a little dirt spot. Might want to clean that up.